Welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable dark mode on WhatsApp web in 3 different ways. So the first way is very easy and many of us might be using it. Go to settings and open theme and select dark here. So this is the first way. And if you want to know the other two ways, watch the video till the end. So let's get back to the light mode again. I'll be showing you the other two ways. And the second way is to right click, go to inspect and click on body, and here is a line of code. So double click on it to edit it and type dark and press enter. So as you can see, it is in dark mode now. So this is the second way. I'll be showing the third way now. So let's get back to the light mode again. And the third way is using a Chrome extension. So click on these three dots, more tools, extensions, and click on these three lines and open the Chrome Web Store. So this is the Chrome Web Store. Here you need to search for stylus extension. So this is the one. You need to add it to Chrome. So click on this and click on add extension. Once it is added to Chrome, it will show a prompt message on the top. So as you can see, it has been added to Chrome. So close this one and open another tab and search for dark theme for WhatsApp by Mew and open this first link. So as you can see, this is the page and the author is Vednoth. So credits to the author. Now here you need to click on install style, click OK. So you can see that the style is installed. Now if you get back to WhatsApp web, you can see that it is in dark mode. So this is the third way. And if you want to get back to light mode again, you can go to extensions and remove this extension from Chrome. Click on remove, and after it gets removed, you can go back to WhatsApp web and reload this page, and it will be reloaded in light mode. So that's how you enable dark mode on WhatsApp web in 3 different ways. So most of you might be using the first way because that is a direct way, and in case you want to try out the other 2 ways, you can do it. And that's it for now. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to it, and I'll catch you in the next one.